Today I'm showing you my full carnivore day, from my skincare routine to my workout to what I eat. Let's get into it. I wake up when the sunlight fills my room, and then I head outside. I take the dogs for their morning walk, and of course the goats come too. Even the chickens follow us. They love to be part of the adventure. I like to start my day barefoot on the ground. It makes me feel more connected to nature. I breathe in the fresh air and feel the sunlight on my skin. It makes me feel calm and happy. I'm so grateful I get to start my mornings like this, slow, peaceful, and close to nature. Then I come and I get ready for the day. This is my toothpaste. I make it myself. It's 100% coconut oil, 100% baking soda, and 100% peppermint oil. And this has been game changer because it really hydrates my mouth. Other normal toothpaste has just been normalized. It's actually so scary because you read the back and there's so many chemicals in it that you can't even read or pronounce, and we're just putting it in our mouth. So make your own toothpaste. I gotta make more. What I do is I just take a little chunk. At first the texture was weird, but then I got used to it. Take a little chunk, put it in my mouth. Then I wash my face with warm water. Then I take my 100% grass-fed whipped tallow. It has coconut oil, sweet almond oil, I always pronounce it wrong, and jojoba oil. And then a little bit goes a long way. At nighttime I slather it on my whole entire face, but in the morning I just take a little tiny pinch. This lasts me a long time, just like that. We also have it in vanilla and lavender, and it smells so amazing. I love the vanilla, but I'm not going to put on the vanilla now because we're going to the gym after, and I'm just going to shower after the gym, so I don't want to waste it. So I just make sure to rub it in all the way so that it's actually going deep into my skin. And then whatever's left, I put on my eyebrows and on my eyelashes. Next up is my hair oil. This has been absolutely game changer. It's my homemade hair oil that I've been using for a while now. You can see how soft and nice my hair looks. This is from the hair oil. It hydrates it because I am almost 100% natural, but I do dye my hair, so it definitely dries out my hair. So this has been game changer. So what you do is a little bit goes a long way. You just need 2 drops, but twice a week I'll take a bunch of like maybe 6 drops, and I'll put it all over my scalp and all over my hair, and I'll let it soak in my hair for 10 minutes. So you just take like 2 drops, boom, rub it in my hand, and then just take it and rub it all through. And then whatever's left at the top, I just go like this, because I get like a lot of frizzy pieces up here, so this just helps tame my hair throughout the day. And then you take a boar brush. It's better than a plastic brush, and it helps distribute the hair oil throughout your hair. You just brush it through. I wish I would have found this stuff sooner because my hair is so dry. And then I put my hair up, and then I change into a hoodie and sweatpants for the gym. I wear a hoodie and sweatpants to the gym because I want to sweat as much as I can. You can probably hear a little Daisy meowing, but let's go. I'm gonna start off by doing a mile on the treadmill. And next are the hip thrusts. 100 pounds. I shouldn't have done the treadmill first. My legs are already dead.
I was doing that, but it wasn't working.
My forehead on that was absolutely terrible. I can feel the burn. It hurts so bad on that, but I'm gonna try again. Oh. So it turns out we're not doing that one anymore. So now we're doing this machine. You lift your legs up on it. Leg extension. Leg extension. How beautiful this egg is. Look how big that egg yolk is. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Right now, we only have a few chickens laying because in wintertime they don't lay. And Falcon is our oldest chicken. I think she's 9 years old maybe. And she's still laying. Now I kind of want scrambled eggs. I'm just gonna mix it up. I know you're supposed to do it before, but that's okay. This is the air fryer that we have, the Ninja air fryer. It's been absolutely a game changer. We made hundreds of pounds of bacon in there, so much burger patties and even steaks. What I do is I turn it on, and whatever temp it is on, That's usually the time we do, so I just put it on for 6 minutes, and then I check on it and flip it. The bacon's almost done, and the eggs are almost done. I like to have my eggs a little crispy. You see how yellow that is? Some people need to take notes. My family, look at it. I washed and cleaned my pan after I'm done using it. The timer just turned off. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna give it a stir and do 6 more minutes. So this is my lunch. I have 4 eggs from our beautiful chickens, and then I have Applewood smoked bacon. And so everyone always asks me, how much fat do I eat? How much protein do I eat? And honestly, I have absolutely no idea. Every day it is different. Some days I'll eat 1 meal, some days 2 or 3. I just listen to my body. For example, you drink water when you're thirsty, right? Yes. So when you're hungry, eat food. And I snack on butter throughout the day, and I have these little fat bites that I eat throughout the day. But this is what I'm eating now, and later tonight, I'll definitely have burger patties. I eat ground beef every single day.
5 hours later.
We're making burgers right now, but I'm feeling a little like I'm getting a headache, so I'm gonna take electrolytes. This, I like it better than Keto Chow Drops. It's Keto Pro. I'll leave the link down below. At first, it took me a while to get used to it because it's not a very pleasant taste, but then you get used to it and it makes you feel better. So it's not about taste, it's about fueling your body. It's a pretty pink color. I usually like to take just like a shot of it to get it over with, but see, I already feel better. Burgers are almost done. Okay, for dinner, I have 2 burger patties, 1 with cheese, 1 without, and then my electrolytes. So good. I eat burgers every day. I could eat it every day. It cooks so fast on the griddle. That griddle thing's game changer. I think it's... Dad, do you think the griddle is better than the air fryer? I think it's better than the air fryer.
Yeah, because your mom cooks it for you every day.
Because my mommy cooks it for me every day.
It's better than the
Right,
air fryer
Mom?
because it keeps the juices in it.
I said because my mommy cooks it every day. Want to come say something to the people?
It's because I love my kid.
It's 7 p.m. now, and I think that's all I'm going to eat today. Okay, you already see my morning routine. It's the same exact thing as my nighttime routine. Next, I wash my face with warm water. Then I take a bunch of this, and I slather it on all over my face and body. Then I'm going to oil my hair. I look like a glazed donut right now, but that is the end of my carnivore day. Now I'm going to sleep. And if you guys are interested in our 100% natural products, I'll leave the link below. It's compassionatecarnivore.store. But thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any video recommendations, let me know down below. But I wish you all the absolute best. Bye. Beep.